My okra plant over here is finally growing some okra. Look at you. Gotta harvest those two big okras today. Look at my Jamaican sorrel. Okay. Still with the green, pretty green leaves on them. Don't see any of the Jamaican sorrels sprouting out yet. The little red flowers is gonna come out on it. Can't come out yet. Pomegranate tree hanging in here. Another Jamaican sorrel. Okay, come on, come on. Look at my only squash that's still blooming here. And look, it has a flower on it. I bet in the morning it's gonna open up. Come on, open up and get pollinated and grow me some squash. See another little squash here, some little squash coming here. This is zucchini. Come on, y'all. Look at my pineapples here. Y'all are enjoying this outside, aren't you? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Gotta clean out some of the weeds in this one here. But you guys are looking good. Come on, continue to grow big and beautiful for us. Look at my asparagus. The spears are still coming up. Okay. I'll let y'all go ahead and fern out like these are doing. Let y'all get bigger. Cut y'all back down during the cold winter time, and probably in the spring y'all will start sprouting back up like this. Now start harvesting some more asparagus. Look over here. Have some more of my okra. Yes, some more okra coming out. Boy, every day you gotta come out. Look at that beautiful flower there. Look at that beautiful flower there. Another okra is getting ready to come out after that flower dies down. It's gonna be underneath that. Look at this one here, another flower there. Okay, some more okras growing there. Okay, come on. I see you. Okay, looking beautiful, looking beautiful. Boy, there's a lot of jalapenos growing here, boy. Look at here. Look at here. Okay, jalapeno peppers. Got a lot of harvesting to do over here. Yes. I see you, I see you. I see you, jalapeno peppers. Yes. Still see some blooms on you too. Okay. Y'all have been really producing a lot of jalapeno peppers this season. Look at you, all those blooms on you. Okay. I see the jalapeno back there. Okay, let me harvest me some jalapeno peppers. It's time to harvest some bell peppers. I see you. See a lot of blooms still coming out on you here. Okay, bell pepper. Thought I saw a red one back here. Let's see. Yes, look at you. I see you. I see you. Okay, gotta harvest me some bell peppers today. We still have a lot of them blooming. Some more growing. Okay. Okay, bell pepper. Continue to grow for us. I have a bunch clean out to do over here in this watermelon patch. Don't look like anything else is gonna grow in here. So I might as well just pull them all up. See some blooms over here, but No watermelons growing. They're coming over here into my sweet potato container here. Most of my sweet potato leaves look like they dying off, but I see some still blooming green here. Still growing green here. Sweet potato vines coming out, coming up. Yes. Okay, sweet potatoes. Have some more watermelons vines coming up here. And some more of my sweet potatoes. Those watermelon leaves look pretty green, look nice. But you're not producing any watermelons for me. Come on, throw me some more watermelon before the season is over. Come on, come on. Got my basil plant growing here pretty. Come on, basil. And my asparagus beans over here, they're drying up. Still have some that's growing long, but I think I'm just gonna let them dry out and collect the seeds from them. I still have a few that's trying to bloom, trying to grow. A lot of the leaves are dying back on them. Okay, another small harvest from Big Mama's garden. Got some asparagus beans, some bell peppers, some jalapeno peppers, and some okra. All grown in Big Mama's garden. Looking good.